Girl, I feel rich. Girl, this hotel costs $345 a night. Look at it. And this is all me right here. Honestly, my flight is supposed to leave. I have to tell you the whole story, but I'm supposed to be gone tonight and going to Bogota, but low-key I want to slay in Mexico City. I mean, it's only for one night, so I got a few hours, but yeah. Hello everyone, it's Andy Charlotte and welcome to my channel. I'm out of breath. I'm currently in Mexico City. It's a long story, but yeah, I'm just like walking around this neighborhood that I just finished having dinner in. So I just want to show you all a few things as I'm like exploring. After this, I'm just gonna call my Uber. I did want to go and buy like some shirts somewhere, but I'm just ready to go back to my hotel and take a break. Like I've been through it. As I was even coming here, I was like falling asleep. But yeah, this is like one of my favorite parts about exploring a new city is just like walking around the different neighborhoods and like, you know, so Mexico City is not like Cancun, like, and I kind of like that. There are some areas that some people may say is like cosmetically challenged, but I think that just makes it so much more unique and beautiful. So as I'm walking through the city, I'm like, oh my god, like this is absolutely wonderful, and I would love to live here, even though I have not seen one black person. Besides that, I'm sure they here, you know. But yeah, I really like it here. It's really good. So, yeah.